I don't even know what to say exactly because right now, actually, my plan was to leave Dharwad at around 5 o'clock in the morning, that is. But yeah, it's kind of bound to happen, dude. It's very much bound to happen. Bound to happen. You will get late. So yeah, we got late, and right now I'm heading towards Dharwad again to fuel up. Yep. And yeah, I'm already completely packed up right now, and all of the gears, although they are not to the level of safety which is to be expected, but yeah, there is some safety at least. So चल जाता है or so I think, but let's see. So as it's visible though, I think it's visible. Yeah, we kind of fueled up. No, not kind of fueled. We fueled up, and we are now, right now, we are heading towards Kalgatgi. I had been wearing my gloves though, but they kind of like, I need to turn on and turn off the camera quite often, so I just kind of removed them from my hands, that is. So yeah, this is how it's gonna be, dude. And it's quite cloudy today. I don't know why though, but it is quite cloudy. So anyways, yo, I really hope nothing happens as such, because I have seen the roads of Gokarna while going to Gokarna, that is from Yellapur to Gokarna. They have literally obliterated the roads, the existing roads, and they are trying to build new roads, cement roads, that is. And yeah, it's good, dude. It's very good, for the matter of fact. But there are always buts, you know. So what they have done is they are gonna make it a 2-lane road in the ghats. So to do that, you first have to construct a single lane, and you have to let all the vehicles pass on a single lane. So basically, I'm gonna travel on a single lane road, which is kinda lame. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be. And yeah, let's kind of meet there itself. And so we have just crossed Kalgatgi, that is, and the road from Kalgatgi to Yellapur is just immaculately beautiful. So just trying to capture it, and I don't know when this video will even come out though, because there are so many videos I haven't yet edited and posted. So I must first edit them and then this one. I just love this road, dude. Look at the road. Look at the. So I guess once we reach Yellapur, I might begin to record it again. Dude, these are some nice roads, dude. Look at that. I mean, seriously. I guess I will just continue my further recording from Yellapur or whenever I encounter ghats or so. So, yep. Yellapur city. and right now I'm gonna exit it. Just wanna say that I came through some beautiful roads and of course the jungles too. Unfortunately, I couldn't record it. I just thought that I just thought not to record because not all of my concentration, but some of my concentration will be diverted towards the recording, right? Recording and the camera. I mean, even if camera is stable or not, stuff like that. Because I vlog on this strapped mount, which is very dangerous, dude. Strapped mount is dangerous. So yes, I wouldn't suggest to if you're a vlogger, right, a moto vlogger especially, don't buy a strapped mount, please. Please don't buy a strapped mount because it's really unstable and your footage is gone, dude. If you don't have EIS, right, your footage is already done for. But look at the roads, dude. Look at the roads. God damn. Just wanna ride like this. Smooth, calm. And yeah, as I was saying, buy a Action Pro, or there is another company which is, I don't know, it starts with blue bond or something like that. They have these 3M stickers, right? They will stick nicely to a helmet and they have a good mount, clip mount, and you can attach. Oh, okay. You can attach a J mount to the clip. Yeah, you can vlog. And the best thing about that is it's very stable, dude. It's very stable. Unlike this strap mount, right? It doesn't move here and there while you're riding at either high speeds or you're taking a curve or a bend like this. It doesn't move here and there. It just stays, sticks to it. And here the descent begins towards the coastal line of Karnataka. No, I mean the India itself. So basically my goal itself was to cover the coastal line of Karnataka this time. But unfortunately or fortunately, it couldn't happen. I started from Gokarna, whereas I should have started from Karwar, right? Because Karwar till the beaches of Mangalore, that is, till the beaches of Mangalore. I should have covered that particular stretch. It's a very long stretch. It's around. If I would guess it's around 300 kilometers, roughly. I don't have the correct numbers, but yeah, rough estimation is around 300 kilometers, and it's beautiful, dude. And yeah, while you're on it, right, you're not meant to be on the road all the time. Take some detours, explore the beaches, go to the cliffs, go to the viewpoints, go to the beaches, the unexplored ones, that is. Beautiful. And I mean it. I totally mean it. Ah, god damn. Look at the road, look at the cart, look at the forest, look at the damn sky. What I was thinking is, why not I attach the same mic to my, the, what do you call this? The knee guard, so that it can capture the engine noise while I'm in the ghat, that is. Because that would be a scenic route, dude. That would be a scenic route. So that's what I have in mind, but I am not so sure that the mic itself is gonna hold up or not. So भाई मेरे को ऐसे मतलब I just want to maintain this speed. I just want to go at this pace. I don't want to be in a hurry burry to reach my destination. I want to enjoy. I want to absorb this whatever this is, dude. This beautiful thing is immaculately beautiful, magnificent. Damn. Again, damn. There are no words. Absolutely no words. Ah.